Hello everyone, welcome. This is exercise 3 of PDF to vector. So we have, this one is another vendor drawing. So this one has a little bit more detail. So here's an isometric view of the part. So we're going to be taking a lot of this stuff and vectorizing it. I don't have a CAD file for this, so this one has dimensions as well, so we're going to be taking the file and also making it true to scale. So let's get started. So I'm going to go to my AutoCAD window, and this is just a typical drawing. So I'm going to be moving a lot of moving this stuff outside the border for a minute, and I'm just going to delete this real quick. So your first step is to go to your top left corner, and you're going to scroll down to import, and you're looking for PDF. So it's going to be the import data from a PDF file into the current drawing as objects. Click on that one. And now you're going to get like a little square. So on your command line, hover over and click on File. And now you're going to be looking for that PDF file. So here's mine. That's the one that I'm looking for. And just click on Open. And here's my vendor drawing. So this is default settings on my end. So if you guys want to use this as a go by, you're more than welcome. And I'm going to click on OK. Sorry guys, if you guys hear any noise in the background, it's 4th of July over here, so there's a lot of fireworks going on with the neighbors. So now I got my vectorized PDF, and as you can see, it did all the work for you, so you don't actually have to do anything, like no drawing out. Even came in with the hidden lines and everything. So I'm gonna select it, and we're gonna type in explode. So now we're just gonna, oh wow, okay. So I guess on this drawing, it converted to actual text, which is great. And let me just check on this one. Oh, sweet. So if you guys see my other videos, a lot of the text, it got converted to line work, but not on this one. So this one's awesome. And okay, line work. Awesome. So I guess on this one, we actually have dimensions on it. So like if I try to actually dimension it, it's 6.465 64. So we're actually gonna, we just need to move it over one time. Oh no, sorry, nope. So we're gonna draw a line from here, this point, and let me just draw it straight down this way. So now we're gonna draw a line 64.5 to the right. So we're gonna type in offset, and we're gonna type in 64.5. Enter. Now you're gonna select the first line, and you're gonna hover over to the right. It's gonna give you that 64.5 measurement. So left click on your mouse, and now we're gonna be selecting the whole thing. You know what? Sorry guys. So we're gonna be selecting the whole thing, and you're gonna type in scale, enter, and you're going to be clicking on your first point. So click on your first point, and then on the bottom it's going to give you like an option, so scale factor or copy or reference. You're going to click on reference, and you're going to be clicking the same point again, clicking one time. Your second point is going to be the 64.5 line, second, and then your last one is going to be the one that you just offsetted, third point. So now if I try to measure this line, it's 64.5. So this one's set to true scale. So let me just delete these two lines. Now we're gonna have to put all this detail onto this border. So we're gonna have to scale this border up. So for this one, I'm gonna be going to my scale chart, and we're set to 1 on scale factor for the border. We're gonna go up to 16 actually. So 16 times, so it's like 3/4 inch equals a foot. So we are, let me go back to my AutoCAD window. So select everything, including the detail, and we're gonna go to scale, and we're gonna click on the bottom left corner one time, and we know our scale factor, so it's gonna be 16. Enter. Now if we actually take all this detail and it fits in there, so let me just I'm just gonna delete the actual border. So now, right before you guys add this detail onto the drawing, you guys could actually fix your layers. So everything in here is on just it's on white scoping. So we're gonna change that to make it look like the actual go by. So it's gonna look so it's gonna look similar to this. So I'm just gonna pause the video for a minute. Alright guys, I got everything to the right layers. So there's 3 colors in here. So everything that's in green, it's into just detail. It's pretty much like a detail layer. And I separate the dimensions as well, so everything is in blue. And I got my TXT layer, which stands for text layer. So like if I try to measure this again, 64.5, so that's perfect. So now that I'm done with the colors on it for putting it into the right layer for the client, I'm just gonna be dropping this inside the border. So now I don't need this anymore, so I'm done. So if I try to PDF it, you guys have all your detail in it. So even this came out great. So as you can see, like it came out great on, I guess, on a PDF file. So you got your text in there. So it comes out the same as, you know, going from here to an actual CAD file and PDFing it. So everything came out consistent. So, you know, that concludes this exercise. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, and also subscribe for more weekly videos on these. And just drop in like anything on the comment section if you guys had questions on it. And, you know, above all, you know, stay safe. The pandemic is still here. So, you know, wear your mask and stay healthy. Thank you.